Bye bye Spitfire, you've served me well. What's up guys, welcome to the channel. I am Stevie the Military Biker, and today, this video, we're going to talk about losing the Spitfire. She's going, she's sold, and I'm getting an upgrade. So I just want to talk you guys through, you know, this bike and how awesome it's been for me in the last 2.5 seasons. Just go over some of the stuff that I've done to it, and you know, and I'll be sad to see it go. I'll give you a little backstory of the Sporty from its inception back in the day to where it is now. So yeah, so you know, like some of you guys now know, I have sold the Sportster. She's the Spitfire. She's up for sale and she's gone. She's sold like that, if I'm honest, which is great. And you know, I've absolutely had some amazing times on this bike over the last 2.5 years, basically, as you guys have seen on the channel. You know, from the first time I rode this bike, first time I got on it and did my first vlog, I got a Spitfire. Check it out. To travelling through the Rocky Mountains, keeping up with the rest of all the big baggers and, you know, the rest of the bikes, and she never let me down once. The whole time I've had it, she's never let me down at all, and we've covered some miles together, that's for sure. You know, so there's some amazing memories on this bike with me. Like I said, she's treated me well. I know, you know, the next person that gets it, that's gonna get it. You know, she treats whoever it is, you know, as well as she's treated me. And this bike has been, you know, she started life back in 1999. As a 883, bog standard 883 black 883, and as she went on through life, you know, through owners, people started to upgrade as they went, as we do, you know. And the last owner that had it before me obviously went to town on her big time and spent an absolute fortune on the bike. I mean, alone the wheels, the custom cut wheels, for 6,000 Canadian dollars. Which to me is mental, why you'd spend that amount of money, not only on a Sportster but on a bike, let's be honest, in one go, on one thing, well, on two things, front and back wheels. Obviously, you know, the 21-inch, I'm not complaining, by the way, 21-inch wheel at the front, has acted like a sail, if I'm honest, over the times I've been out on the bike with the wind, the crosswinds and stuff. It has acted like a sail, and it has been pretty hair-raising at times, if I'm honest. You know, blowing on, you know, like feeling like the wheel's going to come underneath me and the bike's going to go down and stuff, but, you know, I wouldn't change it for the world. She's been an amazing bike, it really has. So like I said, she started out as an 883, and then in there, somebody decided to put 1200 kit in it. So she's had the 1200 kit done, and it's fast, it is rapid. It really is for a Sportster. It is, you know, it's lightweight, it's not got all the bags on and all that crap, it's just gone. You know, the thing is fucking rapid. And obviously the guy that did it all up, well, not all of it because I've done bits too as well, did the custom paint job. You know, everything is got a flame theme on this bike, which I think is awesome. You know, the flame custom tank, the flame custom paint job on the tank. The front fender as well as a custom fender. The rear fender is a custom flame fender with a custom rear light in it, and everything, like I said, on the bike is flames. I mean, you know, you've got your flame derby cover on the other side. There's more flame stuff. Even the brake discs you can see on the front there have been cut out to be like bloody flames, which is awesome. And obviously they put the fully extendable triple trees on the front. That's why it's got that more of a gate at the front, because of of those extendable triple trees, which again is added to the awesomeness of this bike and to the ride comfortability. You know, it's been, like I said, it's been a great bike. It has been like riding a pallet along the road at times. You know, she's not exactly a touring bike, but I think what helped is when I changed out the seat that was on it to the Mustang Solo seat. That certainly helped with the comfort, and you know, this seat has been fantastic. It really is comfortable. For you guys that out there have got Mustang seats, you'll know how comfortable these are. They're really awesome, really cool. What else? So what I did to the bike, I put the apes on, the 10-inch Harley Davidson apes. I did that myself. It didn't go into the garage or anything like that. You know, I did all the electrics, all the cable and everything myself, which was quite hairy again. Trying to do something that you've never really touched before, and it worked out perfectly, man. It really did. You know, I can't complain how good it turned out. And again, that added to the comfortableness of the ride. And you know, I prefer riding like that, because beforehand the bars, it was just straight bars, so it was like riding like this. You know what I mean? So it was more of a down position. Whereas with the apes, as you guys know, they've got them, it's definitely a lot more comfortable to ride. So yeah, I wanted to change the bars out. I did change the bars out. I did it myself. I got the Burley cable kit, you know, for the actual bars itself. And it was, to be fair, not that bad, if I'm honest. It wasn't really, you know, yes, at times it was probably, you know, pretty technical to do, but you know, because the bike's a 99, it's not got a bat wing on and all that sort of stuff, it was pretty easy, if I'm honest. What else did I do? I put the, you can't see it from right from there, but I put the, I'll put a shot up of it now. I put the Vance & Hines short shot exhaust on there, and that thing is amazing. I love the short shots, I love the way they sound, I love the way they look. You know, they're just really cool. It adds that little bit of a extra spark and kick to the bike as well, which is really cool. What was on there before, there was, I can't bloody remember what they were called, but they came out like this and sort of out the headers and then down the way, which was burning my bloody leg all the time. And those of you guys have seen my, when I first got the bike, I actually wrapped the exhaust to try and get away from that, but it just didn't have that look that I wanted, and that's why I went and got the Vance & Hines short shots. Like I said, I changed the seat, which is a great investment, and I also put the sissy bar on the back, the TC Bros sissy bar. I think that, you know, really sets it off. I was looking for something. I did do everything else before I did that, and it just was missing that little something. Whereas when I got that on, that was it. It finished it off. You know what I mean? It was great. It looks fantastic, and that's obviously, you know, really old school look in my opinion. Really cool. Just a sort of another cosmetic thing, I put the Willie G mirrors, teardrop mirrors on. You know, that again is just a cosmetic thing for me. I tried them down here, I tried them underneath the handlebars, but yeah, I couldn't see shit, and I like to see what's behind me and when I'm turning and stuff, so that's why I went for those mirrors up there. But again, they're really, you know, second hand, picked them up for 20 bucks, so I can't complain. You know, they've been really cool. I think they set the bike up as well. Most guys go for under the handlebar type mirrors, but you know, I can't see shit, like I said, so I put them up there, and I think it sets it off pretty good. So yeah, that's what I've done to the bike. And you know, like I said, everything was custom before I got it, more or less, apart from the seat, the apes, and the sissy bar, and obviously the LED systems that are all around the bike now are down to me as well. I put all full LEDs in to the bike. The only LED that was on there beforehand was, believe it or not, the indicator, the flasher is there. It's in the front pegs. So yeah, which is a bit bizarre at the time. You know, you used to see them up on the handlebars there, but they're down there. So they were the only LEDs at the time, and the rear brake light. But everything else has been changed out. So, you know, but yeah, man, she's been a great bike to me. She really has. And will I be sad to see her go? Definitely, absolutely. You know, she was my first Harley Davidson, and it lived up to the name, and it really did. And I put the stickers on the side as well, the tank decals. We didn't have any decals on. But yeah, man, she's been a beast, and I will be sorry to see it go, if I'm honest. I wish I could have kept hold of it. I wish I could have passed it down to my kid. But you know, with everything going on in the world right now, I'm not a millionaire, and sometimes you've got to make sacrifices to get something better and bigger and all that sort of stuff, and that's what I've done. You know, you guys that have swapped out your bikes know that, you know, it's hard letting a bike go, especially when there's that much love in it. But it's worth it in the long run. You know, you potentially see the guy riding around on it, you know, in the future. So I'll probably see it on the circuit around here in Calgary and stuff. So she is a beauty, and she'll be sorely missed. She really will be. But yeah, man, she's been great. Anyway, I'll leave you with a little montage of the good times that we had together. And keep an eye out on the channel, because there is something big coming. There really is a major change, as in a new bike. So keep your eye out. She's coming. She's getting delivered a week today. So yeah, it's going to be. I cannot wait, man. I really can't wait. It's going to take the channel to a whole new level and a whole new audience. So anyway, guys, that's me. I am Stevie the military biker. She is the Spitfire, and she'll be sorely missed.
Anyway, be good, stay safe. I'll see you soon. I'll see you on the next one. And remember, you'll never walk alone.
Alright. Well, I've been down so long that my mind can't get no rest. No, I've been down so long that my mind can't get no rest. No, this ain't easy, darling, 'cause the devil's on my